Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you today on how you could buy the Vine Memecoin on Solana with your Phantom wallet. So it's very simple and easy, but with that being said, let's get right into it. First and foremost, you're going to want to look for the contract address for this meme coin. Now, I like using CoinMarketCap. It's a pretty reputable website. Usually there are pretty much no rugs on this website. But basically, when you're here, search up the Vine coin in the search bar, search up Vine, and then it's going to give you the crypto assets. Just look for the one that has the highest market cap and amount of volume in the last 24 hours. You can see that this is the official one, and you can see what it's currently listed on. It's listed on BitGet, Meteora, Radium, and OKX, and all these other exchanges, centralized exchanges. But head over to the contract address right here. All right. Go ahead and click the contract address and copy it. It should be a Solana Pump Fund contract address. Once you do that, head over to your Phantom wallet. You can see it's on my right hand corner. Go ahead and click the swap button, and once you're here, you're basically just going to want to go on ahead and go to the UPay option. Make sure this is what you're going to pay with, and put the contract address on the You Receive tab. It's then going to give you the Vine coin right here. Now, all you got to go ahead and do is just put whatever amount of Solana or USDC that you want to currently use for this purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and pay 0.001 Solana, which is about 23 cents. And I want to buy one Vine. So you can see here that that's what I currently receive. All you have to do then is just make sure that you are okay with the provider that they are using for this exchange and the fees and price impact. Once you do that, slippage and all of that, click swap now. Now, usually right now, there isn't a lot of liquidity in the markets, but when there's just full-on liquidity, it's very hard to get filled for some of these orders. So you are going to have to up the slippage a bit when it comes to a lot of volume, because price is just differing, different places. So it's hard to get filled when prices are actively changing every other second. But with that said, that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you buy the Vine coin on Solana with your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on this video, comment down below if it did help you. Other than that, I'll see you guys until next time.